Problems with Oracle Identity Manager, OIM.
Courtesy of idmchecklist.com from Informatics.
Oracle Identity Manager, or OIM, is a complex suite of applications that deal with identity, access, and compliance management. OIM is not an application that works out of the box. In complex environments, such as CRM, ERP, BPM, and many customized applications, it requires considerable analysis, planning, and preparatory work. In this article, we will look at some of the business problems that you are likely to encounter. Problems building the identity warehouse. Businesses typically deploy OIM in order to consolidate the many, sometimes hundreds, of identity stores within an organization. This wide array of applications can come about through the company's growth through acquisitions or mergers. The problem, though, is that OIM will require a centralized identity warehouse in which to consolidate all of the identity data. Planning and building the identity warehouse requires analyzing the current business environment and practices, sanitizing and standardizing the identity criteria that will be required to support existing applications, implementing pre-configured connectors to existing application identity stores, and finally building and populating the centralized identity warehouse using the consolidated identity data. Where problems can come into play is with the legacy or customized application where there are no pre-configured connectors. How can these applications be integrated? The Disconnected Application Framework. This provides a web-based interface for the creation, implementation, and administration of connector instances for applications that do not have pre-configured connectors available. Connected Application Framework provides for easy creation, configuration, and administration of application instances, and automated creation of application connectors. Creating interface instances with non-standard applications is one thing, but how do you reconcile all these diverse applications into a unified, role-based access control system? Defining business roles. Business roles define job functions and responsibilities. However, it is not without its problems. Some of these problems can be how to define and establish an RBAC model on a large scale across many applications, how to assign users to roles and roles to applications, how to assign specific business rules and permission to roles. All of these RBAC business issues have to be analyzed and addressed prior to the Oracle Identity Manager deployment. Securing OIM. As OIM integrates and communicates with many parts of the infrastructure, it holds the keys to the kingdom. However, OIM internal links do not use security as a default setting, so it is imperative to secure all links, not just the web-based connectors. This requires implementing SSL, which provides an additional layer of security, but also some additional headaches. Bottom line. From a high-level technical, business, and security perspective, there are several challenging problems with deploying Oracle Identity Manager. Identity data consolidation, establishing an effective role-based access model, and implementing SSL security are all considered best practices, but are also time-consuming and labor-intensive. What high-level business or security problems have you encountered with Oracle Identity Manager? Let us know your thoughts in the comments box below.
And to follow through on the tips introduced in this short article, be sure to download your free copy of the 8-point Identity Management Checklist. You can download a copy of this checklist while it's still available at idmchecklist.com. Thanks so much for stopping by and tuning in today to learn all about
Problems with Oracle Identity Manager, OIM.